In the wake of the recent racing events, a common problem amongst many people has been brought to the forefront. Many work-from-home employees struggle to focus on work and find themselves jiggling their mouse while they play their Xboxes and computer games. The immense pressure of going to the gym and not having to get dressed for the day weighs on them immensely. If you donate just $5, Sean will go outside and touch grass, hopefully, giving him the mental clarity to ask his brother for setup and racing tips for Canada in the rain.